What's up, guys? I got a little Gerber multi-tool. Well, it's a multi-pack. It's got a couple of tools in it. It's got a little knife. It's a Gerber, I think a GDC little 2-inch lock blade. It's got this rubberized material on it. It's a lock back. I mean, it's all rubberized, so if you stick it in your pocket, like with your phone or something, it won't scratch it up. It's a pretty neat little blade. It's got the dual thumb studs, which they have that same material on them. It's actually a cool little knife. Kind of dig it. I've actually carried it too. I like it. Something simple just to throw in there. You got your regular, I'd say that's, I'm not sure on it. I think it's like 8 CR17 or something, or 7 CR17 steel, somewhere. I'm not 100% sure. I can't find any information on what it is exactly. This was given to me by Bluegrass Bushcraft. Him and his daughter did a giveaway a long time ago. I think John M.I. Woodsman won it, and he passed it on to me. And you know, I had some problems with my channel and all, and I never got to do a video on it. But anyway, I wanted to say thank you to Bluegrass Bushcraft and his daughter Alexis for this. I appreciate it. I use it. I use this. It came. I didn't even talk about it. It's a Gerber shard. It's a keychain. It's got a flat head, pry bar, and a bottle cap, bottle opener, and stuff on it. I actually rock this on my keychain a lot. I mean, you can see where I've used it. This comes in handy instead of breaking the tip of your knife off, because this is what this is meant to do, is pry. But anyway, I wanted to thank y'all for it. And I didn't get a chance because I had some problems with my YouTube channel a few times, and I never got a chance to, you know, kind of show that I got it and that I appreciate it. And but anyway, that's what I'm doing. Thank you guys, and anybody that's not subscribed to Bluegrass Bushcraft, go on over there and sub the man up. Him and his daughter and his wife. I just saw his wife do a fire video not too long ago, which was cool. They're good people, so you know, go over and check them out. They seem like really nice people, and I like nice people, so I like to associate myself with nice people. So go over there and give them a look. Anyway, thank y'all, and I didn't mention that. That's a pretty nice little finger tool right there. But anyway, y'all be cool. Y'all have a good day. Everybody have a good weekend. I appreciate y'all watching. Later.